How to convert any video format to MP4. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to convert any video format to MP4. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to open your favorite web browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, Firefox, and many more. So once you have opened, simply go to Google and search for Cloud Convert. So once you search for Cloud Convert, click on the very first site right here, which is cloudconvert.com. And then, as you can see, this is a free app. So it also has a limitation. So I don't know what is the limitation as of the moment. So I think it doesn't um, convert files that are 1 GB or more. So make sure that your video is not on 1 GB or more, or it will not be able to convert it. So, right here, as you can see, there is the word convert. And there are also two boxes right here, which is the convert from and convert to. So when you click this one and go to video, make sure to go to video since you want to convert the video and choose the video format. So for example, that the video format was MOV, and make sure to choose the MP4 right here. So convert MOV to MP4. And then you may select a file by clicking on this one. So select a file and then it will browse your um, file explorer or your data on your laptop or computer. And then you may also change the resolution, the aspect ratio, the CRF, the video codec, the preset, tune, and many more. So as you can see, you may also trim the video or you may also change the subtitle modes right here. So once you selected a file, you just then wait for it to process. So it may take a while depending on your connectivity issue. I mean your connectivity. And then once it is done preparing or processing, you may now then be able to download the converted MP4 video. So again, make sure to choose the correct file name or file extension right here. Make sure to choose video, choose the convert from um, format right here, and choose MP4 right here. So that's it. That's how you can convert any video format to MP4. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.